Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4. Want to talk about article review of air pollution. This is our teammate Lily Shafrina, Maisara Najwa, Nur Shahira, and Rabiatul Adawiyah. For introduction, air pollution have two types, which is visible, such as smoke, or invisible pollutant like nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, and sulfur dioxide. Major sources include power generation, vehicles, industry, agriculture, and inefficient burning of fuels, with indoor sources like cigarette smoke or household products adding to the problem. The health impacts are significant, ranging from physical condition like organ damage and central nervous system disease to mental health issues like depression and reduced cognitive function. So, a survey in Malaysia, Klang Valley highlighted public concerns about pollution, particularly among urban, educated and health-conscious individuals, emphasizing the need for broader research to tackle air pollution challenges effectively.
The objective research of air pollution, the first one to study the factor of air pollution in Malaysia. Second, to address gap in quantitative study on air pollution awareness. Third, to analyze and categorize source of air pollution and their health impact.
Yes, my topic is demystifying a possible relationship between COVID-19, air quality and meteorological factor, evidence from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This topic is include the theory, research and application from the air pollution study. This topic include the theory, research and application from the air pollution study. Next objective, this topic have three. First, understanding the impact of air quality. Number two, meteorological factor on healthy. And lastly, COVID-19 spread. Okay, last, critique and suggestion. Analyze the strength and weakness of the air pollution study. Highlight gap like limited individual level data and propose improvement like integrating more intensive data set or conducting comparative study across regions.
The title article that I choose is Application of the USPA DPSIR Conceptual Framework for Urban Air Pollution from Motor Vehicles, a case study of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The strength of this article is the article clearly identifies the primary contributors to air pollution from motor vehicles, including specific pollutants like CO, NO, SO, HC, and PM10. It highlights both direct emission, exhaust gases, and indirect factor tire releasing, offering a well-rounded perspective. The discussion links motor vehicles pollution to broader environmental and health concerns such as air quality degradation and urban traffic congestion. The topic is highly relevant, especially in urban areas like Peninsula Malaysia, where rapid motorization impacts air quality. Weakness of this article: the article lacks clarity in distinguishing specific pollutants and their sources from motorcycle versus other vehicle types. It states that motorcycles are the second most polluting vehicle type without quantifying the extent of their contribution relative to motor cars. The bias of this article is the article implicitly frames motor vehicles as the sole or dominant contributors to urban pollution and health issues, without addressing other significant sources such as industrial emissions or construction activities. Improvement that I suggest of this article is, first, regular vehicle maintenance. We need to service vehicles regularly to ensure the engines run correctly. Purely maintenance engines emit more smoke and contaminants. Second, proper tire pressure. We need to maintain proper tire pressure to save fuel and reduce emissions. Third, government role in emission control. Establish stronger automobile emissions regulations. Introduce programs like annual smoke test to ensure emissions are within permissible
The
level.
article from Kuno Ayuni Kapute et al. 2024 have a weakness. The article considers forest and plantation fires in Indonesia to be the main cause of air pollution in Malaysia. The critics argue that it ignores industrial emission, vehicle pollution, and Malaysia agriculture practice as well as factors that air pollution can cause is. This can create bias as it downplays internal factors such as air pollution and emphasizes open burning in Sumatra as the main cause of air pollution resulting in haze. The strength of the articles is precise legal reference and penalties for failure under the Environmental Quality Act 1974. Example legal, Section 29A, which prohibit overburning, and Section 29B, which hold premises owner responsible for such activity. For example, penalties are 500,000 or imprisoned not more than 5 years or both when anyone found committing overburning. The article gives reader a better understanding of Malaysia's overburning policy. Suggestion improvement for the article. The first one is stricter enforcement of law against overburning. For example, regularly monitor areas for activity that pollute the air. Second, promoting eco-friendly technology in industry and transportation. For example, using organic material and avoiding material that difficult to dispose. By combining this visual, stronger law and green technology, Malaysia can better control air pollution and create a cleaner and healthier environment for future generations.
Article predicts channel destruction due to air pollution in environment of final disposal site. TPA, this article mentioned that air pollution is caused by garbage. It can impact community and disrupt the human respiratory tract and cause air pollution. This is because garbage undergoes a process of decay and produce components that are toxic to the human body. Other than that, cause of garbage is for waste deterioration include hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Effect this can be fever and discomfort, sleeping and air breathing is not cleaner. The weakness in article is author simply explain what respiratory problems are and the effects. The author also only use example garbage when it left alone. There not a story how process garbage to effect improvement for this article. I suggest to author they improve the data collection analysis. For example, writer can use the chart and the simple paragraph because students like me easy to boring if the topic is same. The author should have put the picture and chart of air pollution because we can imagine how the air pollution happen. Conclusion: the article emphasizes the critical role of human behavior in addressing environmental issues, highlighting the need for public commitment to waste management and increased awareness of air pollution's health impact. It underscores the connection between pollution and respiratory health risks, including their potential influence on COVID-19 transmission. We urban areas facing several challenges from vehicular emission. The article calls for target infiltration to reduce pollution, protect public health, and foster collective sense of environmental responsibility.